This guide from the 1950s claims that reading a micrometer is easy. Let's see if it actually works. The first line of the guide is perfect. It says, "It's as easy as dollars and cents to read a micrometer." A simple method of understanding for what was a very intimidating tool. The guide explains this analogy further detail later. On the next page, we get acquainted with the parts. The frame is the main body. The anvil and the spindle are the two faces that do the measuring. The part you turn is the thimble, and the main scale on the body is the hub. Now, let's see how it works. The secret is simple. Every full rotation of the thimble moves the spindle exactly 25 thousandths of an inch. And now for the reading. This is where Lufkin's guide is clever. They say, think of it like a $10 bill, which is equal to 1,000 pennies. The big numbers that run along the length of the hub are the dollars. So 1 is equal to 100 thousandths, or 0.100. The small lines between these numbers along the hub are the quarters, worth 25 thousandths each. And the numbers on the thimble, those are the pennies. Each one is 1/10,000th of an inch. So let's do the math on this first example. We have $1, or 0.100. We have 2 quarters, which is 50 thousandths. And the thimble is on the number 4, which is 4 pennies, or 4 thousandths. Add it all up, and you get 0.154. It's that simple. And what about that final tiny measurement, the 10,000th of an inch? That's what the Vernier scale on the hub is for. You just find the one line on the Vernier that lines up perfectly with a line on the thimble. In this case, it's the number 6, so we add 6 10,000ths. It seems like an odd method at first, but easy once you get the hang of it. The guide finishes with simple but crucial advice for care and feeding. Keep it clean, don't drop it, and develop the right feel to get a perfect reading. This wasn't just a tool, it was a sensitive instrument. And that's it. No more mystery. Just a simple, brilliant guide from the 1950s that proves that, with the right explanation, micrometer reading is truly made easy.